CRMA, an AFI KLM E&M Center of Excellence for aero repairs, has developed an innovative solution under which worn or damaged GE90 115 fan up frames are repaired instead of being replaced. The repair is adapted from the OEM recommendation to restore the affected inlet guide van pad area to its original contours using innovative welding techniques and a specific heat treatment method. The CRMA engineering team applies a special procedure that avoids oxidation on these high-value titanium parts. The results are outstanding. The fan-up frame can be restored to its original condition in the TAT of a standard repair and with 0% oxidation on the part for a cost saving of $1.5 million. CRMA is today the only shop in the world to perform this repair. Approved by GE, it will soon be included in the OEM's engine shop manual.